Welcome to the Body Awakening Journey, a meditation designed to gently energize your body and prepare you for the day ahead. So find a comfortable space where you can move freely, either sitting or standing. Gently close your eyes or maintain a soft gaze. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Feel your chest and belly expand. Hold the breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or fatigue. So repeat this breathing pattern 2 more times, each time feeling more present and more aware. Now, bring your attention to the soles of your feet. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground beneath you. Imagine roots extending from your feet deep into the earth, grounding you and providing stability. Now gently shift your weight onto your heels and then onto your toes. Rock back and forth a few times. Now lift one foot slightly and rotate your ankle in slow circles. First in one direction and then the other. Repeat with the other foot. Feel the mobility in your ankles improving. Now lightly bounce on the balls of your feet. Feel your calf muscles engage. Then, stand still and gently bend your knees, performing a few shallow squats, either seated, standing, or lying down. And if you rise, imagine drawing energy up from the earth through your legs. Now place your hands on your hips. Begin to draw small circles with your hips, gradually making the circles larger. Rotate 3 times in one direction. Then switch to the other direction. This movement awakens your hip joints and your lower back. Now gently tilt your pelvis forward and backward, noticing the subtle movement in your lower spine. This helps to release any tension held in your lower back. Now, with your arms relaxed at your sides, slowly twist your upper body to the right as you exhale, allowing your arms to swing naturally. Inhale as you return to center. Exhale and twist to the left now. Repeat this movement several times, flowing with your breath. Now, interlace your fingers behind your back. And as you inhale, gently straighten your arms and lift your hands away from your body, opening up your chest. Then exhale and release. This opens up your chest and encourages deep breathing. Now inhale as you lift your shoulders up towards your ears. And then exhale as you roll them back and down. So repeat this movement 5 times. Then reverse the direction, rolling your shoulders forward. Now extend your right arm across your chest, using your left hand to gently press it closer to your body, stretching your shoulder out. Hold for a few breaths, and then switch arms and repeat on the other side. Now extend your arms out in front of you. Open and close your fists several times. Then, rotate your wrists in circles, first clockwise and then counterclockwise. Now gently drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch along the left side of your neck. Return to the center and repeat on the other side. Now, slowly lower your chin towards your chest on an exhale. And then inhale as you lift your head back to center. Then, gently tilt your head back, looking upward, being mindful not to strain. And then exhale back to center. Now inhale as you reach your arms overhead, stretching your fingertips towards the sky. Stand on your tippy toes if comfortable, feeling the stretch through your entire body. And exhale as you lower your heels and bring your arms down. Now reach your right arm overhead and gently lean to the left, stretching the right side of your body. Hold for a few breaths. And then inhale back to center and repeat on the other side. Now place your hands over your heart and let them rest comfortably by your sides. Close your eyes if they're not already. Take a deep breath in and then exhale fully. Now, silently or softly aloud, repeat the following affirmations, allowing them to resonate within you. My body is alive, energized, and ready to support me today. I honor and respect the signals my body sends me. Every movement I make fuels my strength and vitality. I embrace the energy flowing through my body. I am connected, grounded, and full of life. So take a moment after each affirmation to feel its truth within you. So now imagine a warm, radiant light at the base of your spine. With each inhale, visualize this light traveling upward through your body, through your belly, your chest, your neck, and your head. And with each exhale, feel it radiate outward, filling every cell with vibrant energy. As the energy builds, imagine this light pulsing in rhythm, energizing you even further. Feel this invigorating energy circulating throughout your entire being. Now stand with your feet hip-width apart. Begin to gently shake your hands, letting the movement travel up your arms. Allow the shaking to spread to your shoulders, your chest, and your legs. This movement releases any residual tension, and awakens your body. So stop shaking and take a moment to feel the sensations. Then, gently tap your body, starting from your feet and moving upward. Your calves, thighs, your hips, your belly, your chest, and your arms and your head. This gentle tapping simulates circulation and brings awareness to each part. So gradually bring your movements to a stop. Stand or sit quietly, noticing the sensations throughout your body. The warmth, tingling, or any feeling of aliveness. So take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. So begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice any sounds around you, the music, the ambient noises. Feel the air on your skin and the ground beneath your feet. Gently open your eyes now. Take a moment to stretch any final areas that feel a little tight. Good work today, and namaste.